everybody, and welcome back to the cooking show. Welcome to the show! Alright, so we're back. Let's see how our vegetables are doing. Ooh, it smells good. Okay. Let's try and see how we're doing here. Just doing better. I think, man, it's still gonna need some more time. Let me see if I have a smaller one I can try here. This one's smaller. All right. So it looks like we need more time. I would say maybe a little bit more heat as well. So maybe turn it up to, depends on your oven, maybe turn it up to 375. But I would say some more heat. We're definitely getting closer. So I'm gonna put this back in. I'm not gonna come back on again, but I'll post a picture of the final product. But I want to try this. We'll have Paulina come over here and try this as well.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see here. Let's try this. It's really great how everything did a really great job sticking. You see how we got nice stick there with everything? Right? Okay, which is exactly what we wanted.
How was it?
Very good.
What
Needs
do you
salt.
want me to try?
Let me get you one.
It smells so good.
Let me put a little salt on it.
Okay.
Hold
Okay.
that. A little salt. Need some salt. Finish it off with some salt and pepper. Okay?
Good. For those of you who like shrimp, had the shrimp cocktail
I
to
know.
hold you over while
Lucky
you
me.
cook.
It's one of the benefits of liking shrimp.
Mmm. So good. It's a little hard, but it's so good.
So anyway, thank you guys for joining me tonight. I appreciate it so much. Remember, tomorrow, right around noon, we'll be doing the Daily Dose of Davis, your motivation for the day, as well as live questions and answers. So make sure if you have a question, if you're not able to join me live, you can post the question in the group and then tag me so you make sure I see the question. Hang on, sorry. There we go. And again, we're going to do this a little bit longer. When I finally finish everything, I'll post how long we ended up keeping it in there for and what our temperature was. Thanks again for coming, and remember, today is the perfect day to live a vital life.